Hey everyone, if you live in an area where the power delivery is slightly unreliable and maybe you get some voltage spikes or some voltage dips and brownouts or even complete outages from time to time, you might be wondering whether your computer could actually be damaged or something like that. And the short answer is it's unlikely, but it could potentially happen, as I'll talk about throughout this video. But the reason it's fairly unlikely is the modern systems, and including the PSU, often have lots of fail-safes built in to actually protect against some level of voltage fluctuations and things like that. But in general, if you do have surges from time to time, then going out and buying a surge protection strip is going to be a very good idea. Now, some houses actually have these fitted externally, in which case you might not need to worry about having one internally. But if you know your house doesn't have anything like that, then simply going out and buying a surge strip can actually really help you. So you would plug that into your wall, you then plug your computer into that, and that should help protect things. Equally, if you get lots of power dips and outages and things like that, you can actually buy a UPS, an uninterruptible power supply. And these aren't exactly cheap, but basically they have a big battery inside of it. Then you basically plug your computer into that. And what will happen is most of the time your computer will be powered by, the actual wall power. But obviously if there's a power outage, then your computer will use that battery backup for a certain amount of time, which then allows you to shut down your computer without losing data. So that's great. But in general, if your computer's already, been hit by a voltage spike or a power cut, and then all of a sudden things aren't booting up, there's a few things you could try. The first thing I would do is I'd turn the PSU switch off on the back of the PSU, then I would open up the computer and I would find the CMOS battery, which is a round metal disc, and it's actually a pocket cell battery. I would pop that out and then I would wait around 10 minutes. And then I would put it back in, and then I'd flip the PSU switch back on, try not to forget that, and then I would try turning the computer back on, and fingers crossed that does then allow your computer to turn back on. But if then, Windows itself has issues, maybe something got corrupted by a sudden shutdown, you might need to get like a bootable USB with Windows on it, boot up into that, and actually run the Windows startup repair and things like that, which can then help. And hopefully it does help. If you've got any further questions or doubts, please let me know down in the comments. And other than that, if you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up button and please subscribe to see more short videos like this. Thanks for watching.